Good morning, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Diana Asfarina binti Awan Sabaruddin, and I'm currently pursuing a Bachelor of Electrical Engineering honors at University Technology Mara UITM. Before this, I completed my diploma in Electrical Engineering Electronics at UITM Samarahan, Sarawak. Throughout Throughout my studies, I developed a strong interest in electrical power system, industrial applications, and embedded system technologies because I enjoy understanding how electrical systems work in real life situations and how can they improve efficiency and daily operations. So during my internship with Sarawak Energy Berhad under the CESCO internship program, I gained exposure to actual engineering working environment. I participated in substation inspection of 11 kV and 33 kV substation, observed transformer and ring main unit maintenance, and learned about metering system and residential and commercial uses. I also joined site visits and maintenance activities involving low voltage distribution system. The internship can be a clearer understanding of safety procedures, teamwork, technical communication, and the importance of discipline in engineering work. Apart from academic and internship, I am also someone who actively participate in leadership and co-curricular activities. I serve as welfare executive for the Student Representative Council Secretariat during my diploma studies, where I learned how to manage programs, communicate with different groups of people, and solve problems during events. I was also involved as an MC for university programs, which helped me improve my confidence and communication skills. So, in terms of technical technical projects, I also work on an IoT-based elderly monitoring system using STM32 board and Bluetooth communication to monitor health and monitor health data in real time. I also developed an automatic single-axis solar tracking system using Arduino, ADR sensors, and servo motor. So through these projects, I learned how to combine hardware and software components to create systems that are practical and efficient. So, as a person, I will describe myself as hardworking, adaptable, and eager to learn new things. I'm comfortable working both independently and in a team. I believe I'm still in the learning phase of my career, so I'm always open to guidance and willing to improve myself continuously. So, my goal right now is to gain more industrial experience, strengthen my technical knowledge, and build a long-term career in electrical engineering field. And the second question is, what would you actually want to do in life if you got to choose? So if I truly had the freedom to choose what I want to do in life, I would still choose a career related to electrical engineering because I genuinely enjoy the field. Since my diploma studies, I have always been interested in how electrical systems operate and how engineering solutions can make people live easier and more efficient. I find satisfaction in solving technical problems and learning how systems are designed, maintained, and improved. So, in a long term, I would like to become skilled and experienced engineer in the power and industrial sector. I am especially interested in areas related to electrical maintenance, power distribution systems, renewable energy, and automation technologies. I believe these fields are very important for the future development because industry are becoming more dependent on smart system and energy efficient technologies. So beside technical growth, I also want a career that allows me to continuously learn and improve myself. I do not want to stay only at one level of knowledge, and I hope to gain certifications, attend professional training, and eventually become a competent engineer who can handle larger responsibilities and projects. I would like to improve my leadership skills so that one day I can manage engineering teams and contribute to decision making process in a company. So another thing I value is stability and personal growth. I want to build a career where I can support my family, gain meaningful experience, and contribute positively to society. For example, I'm interested in technologies involving renewable energy and smart monitoring system because I believe engineering should not only focus on business profits, but also improving of the uh, quality of the quality of life and sustainability. So at the same time, I enjoy working with people and being involved in team environments. That is why I would like a career where I can combine technical skills with communication and teamwork. I believe engineering today requires not only technical knowledge, but also problem solving ability, adaptability, and good interpersonal skill. So overall, my goal in life is not only to become successful professionally, but also to become someone who keeps learning, improving, and contributing meaningfully through the knowledge and skills that I have. And for the third question is what major problems and challenges did I face at my last job? So my last job is my internship at Cisco under Sarawak Energy Berhad. So during my internship at Cisco under Sarawak Energy Berhad, one of the biggest challenges I faced was adapting from a university learning environment to a real industrial working environment. Um, in university, most learning is theoretical and simulation based. But during my internship, I have to also observe and understand actual electrical system, equipment, and operational procedures that involve real safety risks and responsibilities. For example, during substation inspection and maintenance activities, there were many technical terms, procedures, and equipment that were unfamiliar with me at first. I needed to quickly understand how the system operated and how engineers or technicians communicate during field work. So at the beginning, I felt nervous because I did not want to make mistakes or misunderstand instructions, especially in environment where safety is extremely important. So, and another challenge was adjusting to the working pace and discipline required in the industry. Some maintenance and inspection works need to be completed within a limited time, and teamwork was very important to ensure tasks completed efficiently and safely. I learned that in the workplace, communication and coordination are just important as technical knowledge. So I also face challenges related to confidence. Sometimes I hesitate to ask questions because I worry that my question might sound too basic or too easy, something like that. However, later realized that asking question is necessary to learn and uh, to learn and improve. The engineers and technicians around me were very supportive, and I become more confident in communicating and participating actively during discussion and site activities. So to overcome these challenges, I try to be observant, proactive, and willing to learn. I took notes during site visits and asked for a clarification, and when necessary, paid close attention to safety procedures and technical explanations from senior staff. So over time, I became more comfortable in the working environment and better understood how practical engineering work is carried out. So overall, the challenges that I faced during my internship helped me grow personally and professionally. The experience improved my adaptability, communication skills, teamwork, and technical understanding. Most importantly, it taught me the importance of continuous learning and maintaining a positive attitude when facing new situations. And last but not least, for the last question, do you have any unique experience that separates you from others? So I believe also, I believe one thing that make me different is my balance between technical involvement and leadership or communication experience. So many students focus only on academics, but throughout my studies, I try to involve myself in both technical projects and student activities because I believe both are important for personal and professional development. So, from a technical side, I had the opportunity to work in on project involving IoT system and renewable energy applications. So, for example, as I mentioned in my resume, I developed an IoT-based monitoring system that could monitor vital signs in real time using STM32 board sensors and Bluetooth communications. I also work on an automatic solar tracking system using Arduino and LDR sensor to improve solar panels efficiency. So through this project, I learned how to apply theoretical knowledge into practical system. So and I also can learn how to troubleshoot problems and work with hardware and software integration. So at the same time, I was also active in leadership and university programs. During my diploma studies, I served as welfare executive for the Student Representative Council Secretariat, SMPP. So this role taught me how to organize activities, manage responsibilities, communicate with different groups of people, and solve unexpected problems during events. So I also gained confidence by becoming an MC for university program and formal events. So another unique experience during my internship um, at Cisco, I was supposed to where I was exposed to real industrial environment involving substations, metering system, and field maintenance work. Not all students have the opportunity to observe actual electrical distribution operation directly. So I believe this experience gave me a better exposure to the industry and helped me understand how engineering work is carried out in practice. And I also believe my adaptability is one of my strengths. Throughout my study, I balance my academics, project, internships, leadership activities, and part-time work experience. Working part-time helped me improve my disciplines, customer service skills, and ability to work under pressure while managing my studies and at the same time. So overall, I think my combination of technical exposure, exposure, leadership experience, communication skills, and adaptability helps separate me from others. And I'm not only focused on technical knowledge, academics, but also on becoming a well-rounded person who can work effectively with different people and environments. So that's all